Hello, my name is Ronald Ojeda. It is my presentation of my beach vacation. My vacation was last year in the month of September. We named day because we had a long time we going on vacation. We were on the beach of Santa Marta, the most beautiful beach in Colombia. Okay, we fly from Cucuta to Bogota and from Bogota to Santa Marta. We arrived at the hotel in Chiquin dos Pichar. We left our suitcases, the room, rest and lie and wait to see the Susan and the beach. Afterwards, the tourist guide arrived to take us to seated and then night back to the hotel to have dinner and sleep.